Hey, I'm Skylar, and today I want to go over how to stream using Ustreamer from your iPhone to the web. It's ridiculously simple. I'm going to skip the step where you go out and download the Ustream app because you can do that. Just go to the App Store, download Ustream, and then create an account. Once you create an account, check out this. Slide to unlock, tap Ustream Broadcaster, that's the specific name of the app. And it's dirt simple. Record to phone or go live. I'm connected to Wi-Fi right now, so I could go live if I want to. I'm going to tap that and give it a second while links everything up. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see Start. It's recommending that I link to social networks like